Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. In a cave in the woods in his deep dark lair, through a long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Huddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold wind howls and the night sounds growls, but the bear snores on. Do you think you would stay warm sleeping in the snow? I think it'd be awfully cold. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep-crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. He's making a tiny fire. The coal pip-pop, and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. He's so tired. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And the hare hops in. "Oh, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. They're gonna have a snack together. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. Burp. Excuse me. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs, snuffs in the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share?" "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in." They nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch, but the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," twitters Wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. I don't think I could sleep with so many people in my room. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare strokes the fire, Mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear, ha, ha, ha-choo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. Oh no. And the bear wakes up. How does his face look? He does not look happy. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Ruff. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. "You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I have had none." And he whimpers and he moans, he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Oh, Bear is sad, he's crying. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see. We can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Bear gulps big gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on.